Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a Barbie inspired makeup look, and I will also be changing into an outfit pretty soon once I'm done with all my makeup. But in the meantime, I'm gonna try and hurry and make this video because it is scorching right now, you guys. The AC isn't working and me and the puppies are sweating like crazy, as well as my other doggies. And anyways, let's get started. So for starters, I'm gonna moisturize my lips using this Dior lip maximizer, and this is in the shade 001. As you can see, it's like a very natural baby pink, but I figured I wanna plump my lips so I could get that perfect Barbie pout. And to moisturize my face, I'm going to be using this Kosas Dream Beam sunscreen. And according to this, I could either wear it alone or as a perfect base for makeup. I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and try it by itself. And it is like a skin tone color. And I know I said I was gonna use that by itself, but I still kind of wanted to use this MAC Strobe cream, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that on top. And I know last time that I used this Kosas Revealer Skin Improving Foundation, it was a little bit too orange or yellow on me, but this time I got a different shade and it is in light medium neutral warm 190. And on top of that, I'm going to be applying the Kosas Revealer Concealer in the shade 04N. And to sculpt my face, I'm going to be using Rare Beauty's bronzer stick in the shade Happy Soul. And now to soak up all this oiliness I have on my face, I'm going to obviously be using the Huda Beauty Pink Cherry Blossom Cake. And I'm just gonna apply it all over. And to prime my eyelids for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this Marc Jacobs one, and it is the Perfecting Coconut Eye Primer. So first, I'm going to be using this Pastels Rose palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm just going to be applying this shade right here all over my eye and bring it over to the brow bone as well. So now that that's all over my eyes, I'm gonna be taking this Dominique Cosmetics palette, and as soon as I open this palette just screams Barbie. Look at all the pinks it has on there. So now I'm going to be taking this one right here, which is called Really Pretty, and just apply it to my eyelids. And I'm also going to be using these Pure Cosmetics Barbie inspired brushes. Like, look how cute that is. And I love the fact how they all have a rhinestone ribbon to them. It makes it super cute. And now grabbing this brush, I'm going to be grabbing this color right here, which is called Self Made. And I'm just going to apply that to my crease. And now with my finger, I'm just going to apply this color right here. And it is like a very nice pastel pink shade, but it's also very shiny, and it is called Empire. And I'm just going to apply that to like the inner part of my eye. Or scratch that. I'm going to apply it all over my lid. Alright guys, so I ended up having to redo this eye because I did an eye look on this one and I did a different one on this one, and I ended up going with this look because I thought I looked more like Barbie-like. So now, taking this angled brush from the Pure Barbie collection, I'm gonna be taking this hot pink shade right here called Boss Babe, and with it I'm going to line my lash line, and I'm going to create a thin line carving out my crease with it. And now taking the blending brush, I'm going to grab that same color and I'm going to try and blend it out from like the outer corner. And now I'm just going to go ahead and pick up Empire again and just revive the little shiny part on our lids. And now I'm just going to do a cat eye using this black eyeliner. So now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I did go a little thick because I wanted to imitate like an actual Barbie doll. Anyways, so now I'm going to be using this beautiful brush, and I'm going to be applying this pale yellow powder by Bobbi Brown all over my face. So I had to recharge my camera, but in the meantime I did apply some false lashes from House of Lashes and the Patricta collection, and they're called It's an After Party. And for bronzer today, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs one in Tantastic. And for blush, I'm going to be using this bubblegum pink one. It is called Love Cloud by MAC. Next, for highlighter, I'm going to be using this Pure and Barbie one, and it has the shades Pink Taffy and Bubble bubbly mixed together, and it's super cute because it has Barbie silhouette right here. So now I'm just gonna mix those two together. And next I'm going to line my eyes using this Killer Liner by Too Faced. Next I'm going to be doing my brows, but first I'm going to be filling in using the pencil part, and this is a Glamnetic 3-in-1 Brow It All, and it is in the shade Taupe. Now that I'm done brushing that out, I'm just going to coat them using the brow mascara. And now I'm going to coat my lashes using the Air Volume mascara. Alright guys, and for lipstick, I'm going to be using this Kylie Jenner Flirtini one, and it kind of looks like a bubblegum pink, so I'm going to use that one. And on top, I'm just gonna put on this Girl Gloss by Pure and the Barbie collection. And what's cute is that it's like in the shape of a lip. Guys, and here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I say this in every video that I make, but I had so much fun filming this one. And I don't know if you guys could see my little flamingo and my pineapple here, but I got those two from the Dollar Tree and they light up. And honestly, I'm very impressed with this wig. When I first got it from Amazon, I was a bit skeptic, but then after I tried to like put my hair in a braid or braids, and like I tried to like bobby pinning it to my whole backside of my head, I gotta say I really like how it looks. And I don't know, what do you guys think? Can I pull off being a blonde? I cannot stop looking at myself. I don't know if it's the blonde wig, I don't know if it's like the eyes, it's just everything at this point. I swear I am loving how I did my eyes, and I know that's kind of biased coming from me, but I really like how I did like this hot pink line on the crease. As for the glasses, these are Ray-Bans. I got them like a long time ago on the website. I'm pretty sure they're still there. This is from Windsor, and this is from Forever 21 like a long time ago. But these earrings are from Forever 21 also, and those, I feel like they always have these. They're like the big rhinestone studs. And this hat, oh my gosh, I am so glad I bought this hat. I'm gonna try it on for you guys again right now. But I got it from Target, and just look at it. I hope I'm putting it on right. I love it so much, and it was only 10 bucks. And then this dress right here, I got it from this pinup shop at a mall. It was very expensive. It was around like, I think it was like $74. This is gonna sound really dumb, but the girls in there were kind of mean, so I kind of felt like I wanted to prove to them that I could buy a $74 dress, when in the end they're the ones winning because they're making commission and I'm not, and I'm like broke. Anyways, I'm really glad that I bought it. All those years I was contemplating on, man, I should have just returned it the next day, like right after I got it, but something inside me said just keep it. What I love about this is not only does it really hug your figure, but it has like these heart-shaped buttons, and I was like, oh my gosh, it looks so Barbie-like. And originally this dress does come with its own pink belt, but I decided to change it with this black belt that I got from Target. The heels, I got it from Macy's, and they were from Zac Posen. I'm also really glad I ended up choosing this bubblegum pink lipstick, because at first I was thinking about using a nude one because I'm like, oh, maybe I should match my dress. But then I was like, who cares about your dress? Because Barbie always has very pink lips. For me, I've loved Barbie ever since I was very little. I used to play with so many Barbies like all the time, and don't even get me started on the movies like Swan Lake, The Nutcracker, The Princess and the Pauper was my favorite. Judging from the trailers, it looks like it's gonna be pretty good and pretty funny as well. But anyways guys, I guess that's pretty much it. Don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye Barbie!